My name is Kennedy Thomas, and today I will show you how to work my app. My app covers an extensive variety of potential field trips that schools can take in Dallas, Texas. It is targeted toward teachers, schools, and school districts in the Dallas metropolitan area. The purpose of this app is to provide educators with fun and educational choices for field trips. The tools and coding language that I used for this app are JavaScript and text expressions in the app sheet. Now, let me show you how my app works. This is the home screen. It has my logo, the title, and a small summary of everything that I have included in this app. Once you move on, you will find a spreadsheet that has all of my locations and a small bit of information about each location. It sorts them whether or not they're outside or indoors. It rates them from educational and fun, and it shows you where it is. These location buttons, when you click on them, takes you to a map that shows you the location and the address of all of my locations. You can see them all in respective distance to each other. You can also see on the side here, it's kind of cut off, but you can see that the address, the description, the category, where it is, the rating, and a brief image of the location. You can do this with every single one. Let's go to the Dallas World Aquarium. You see where it is in respect to all of the other locations, and you have a brief summary of what it entails. You see that it's a showcase of aquatic animals and a learning experience. You know that it's an aquarium, that it's slightly educational and fun, and further off to the side you will see a picture. Go to the sixth floor museum at Dealey Plaza. Here is the John F. Kennedy Museum. You also see it in respect to the other locations, and you're able to see the description, the category. It's not outdoors, slightly educational, very fun. You have the address and a picture of where you are going. The app is very interactive and allows for educators to easily be able to distinguish between all of the field trip sites that Dallas, Texas has to offer. I wanted to make this app because I wanted the educators to be able to have an efficient way to distinguish between where they wanted to take their kids and what would be the most beneficial to their education. So that's all. You go back to the home screen, and there goes field trips in Dallas, Texas.